Hey everyone, it's Traci. Welcome to Downward Dog Rising. I'm just getting ready to leave work and I'm going to give you a Pilates demo exercise, control back on the reformer with several variations. And then I'm going to turn around and do another exercise facing the other way, so control front. So let's begin. I'm going to put you on, maybe try a red spring and a blue spring, a spring and a half, and then we're going to approach the machine by placing our palm firmly over the shoulder rest. And you want to be able to drop your shoulders out of the ears, and you have to get into your shoulder girdle so you're not using the superficial muscles up top of the shoulders. So what it looks like, in order to do this exercise, you need to be able to stabilize your shoulder girdle appropriately. Shoulders should never look like they lift into the ears. You want to be able to press downward from the armpits down into the palms. Ideally, you should be able to hover your pelvis off the edge of the reformer frame without going like that and losing that stability across your middle back. That's very important so that you don't hurt your wrists and so that your shoulders avoid hiking and tensing. Okay, so we're going to start off. We're going to approach our machine and we're just going to place our palms down. The heart of the palm, like really firm. Fingers are going to reach down onto the front of your shoulder rest. So you're going to step up, and then you're going to walk your feet directly onto your foot bar. Put on the balls of the foot, connect. Now, you lift up your heart. You're scooping your abdominal wall in. As you lift your heart, you're going to do these little presses back, coming in. Let's do 5. Tighten the core of your back, reach to the top of the head. 4, 3, connect. 2 more. Last one. Now, if you wish, you can lift up a leg, maintain pelvic girdle stability. So you lift up your leg, you come in. You lift up that leg, you come in. 3 more. Shoulders are down and back. Scoop abdominals deeply to your spine. Exhale. Come back. Exhale. Pelvis is stable. Last one. Pelvis is stabilized. And then you're just going to slowly come on down. Woohoo! You did it. Awesome. And then I'm just going to give you an extra little stretch for your wrist. Release the wrist. And then we're going to go to the other side. Release the wrist. Awesome. All right. And then I'm going to give you the control front. So then we're going to approach the machine. Once again, you're going to do the palms on top of the shoulder rest. And the key, you have to connect the serratus anterior. Feel the connection under the armpit. That way we can wrap under the back of your shoulder blade and effectively stabilize your shoulder girdle, your shoulder blades down into your back. So what I like to do is hand, hand, then I step up, foot, foot. I bring the ball of my foot onto the foot bar. I take a moment, I anchor those shoulder blades way down deep into my back, tailbone long, neutral spine. I take a step up, and I make sure my tailbone's really long. I scoop abdominals in, and then I really plug my arms into my shoulder girdle in my back. 8, 7, keep that elongation, axial elongation of your spine. 5, 4, stretch and reach. 3, wrists are straight, feel the connection under the armpits. 2, and last one. And then sometimes you might take the leg out, where you stretch the leg out. You stretch the leg out. Exhale, scoop in. You place the ball of the foot. You stretch the leg out from the glute all the way down the back chain. 4, 3, stretch and reach. 2 more. Exhale. Last one. And then you gently land, softly take a step down. Woohoo, and there you have it. Control back, control front. So it's really good because it gets you to stabilize your pelvis, control center, core control, core strength, and then also your shoulder girdle stability, keeping those shoulders down, avoiding overusing the wrist, connecting across the middle back, getting into that serratus anterior up under here. So appreciate you for watching. Peace, everyone. See you soon. Bye.